Good morning. The opportunities, my friends, to invest in the US stock market are endless. They continue. I've been repeating myself thousands of times. Today I bring you one more. In China tech stocks, there are wonderful selling short opportunities that I've been repeating myself thousands of times. I'm going to talk about this stock here, GDCom. Okay, so I quit investing in this company a long time ago. The best case scenario for this stock, it was $98. So once it reached $98, I said you are going to bail out. In fact, GDCom continued moving higher, the share price, to 112 if I'm not mistaken. Well, and then it crashed. So that was the case also with the downgrade that we made available on the blog years ago. In the case of Alibaba, another bubble, $318. The case of Baidu, $360. And recently, bubble stocks like Xpeng, that is worth $7, but Americans, they were paying $50 plus. Or the famous case of NIO, that it was upgraded to strong buy below $2, and the Americans, namely Goldman Sachs, then upgraded at $55. That was the very top in NIO. Everyone knows where NIO it is today. And bear in mind that there is all this that I've just said, it is documented, okay? So the downgrades in NIO from Goldman Sachs years ago, they corresponded to the very bottom, and then their upgrades corresponded to the very top. So I've been, publishing thousands of case studies, explaining that the only thing that you have to do is precisely the opposite of what they just tell you to do, right? So look at, for example, what happened recently in other stock that rallied significantly. They don't have a company that does not have any earnings whatsoever. Never had, in fact, since IPO. The case of Roblox, Goldman Sachs downgraded, to $18. The share prices was 25 and immediately soared to $50 basically, okay? Almost 45, okay? So this happens all the time. Goldman Sachs downgrades, stocks they soar. Goldman Sachs upgrades, stocks they crash. In this particular case, is precisely the same, okay? Last year, I repeated myself saying, this stock, I do not see why people will pay more than $63 to $65 for GDCom. And in fact, when I published it, the stock, it was not of those prices, okay? So what I did, it was to publish, to say, well, this is the best case scenario that you can get. If you can get it, it's better you sell and to go short the stock, because I'm selling short, or I'm going to sell short GDCom, okay? So when I announced it, you can see what happened then, if you wish to see it here. The stock then soared, or rallied to that red line, and every time the stock touched the red line, what we did, it was to recommend to sell and to go short the stock. Okay? So this to say what? That this stock has been a gold mine, my friends. This stock has given so much money for anyone following trade signals or the analysis that I made available many months ago last year, as well as the case of Alibaba. So everyone had, or the case of DD Global, in every single case, and repeating myself, because this is not the first time that I say it. My friends, people, they had all the information to make whatever they wanted, okay? So this is very important, because today what you are seeing, this crash, today down to $41.50, validates what you were told last year. So when you buy an analysis, my friends, you can utilize the analysis for a long period of time for you to profit from. And moreover, for those that they've been buying recently analysis, we also included analytics, okay? So while years ago this was not possible or not available, today when you buy it, it comes with analytics for you to trade or invest short term, even day trade, mid term and long term. Obviously then the analytics they change, but if you, for example, bought a plan, you have continuous information about this, okay? Updated in real time. All right, thank you very much. I believe that this has been great for you to learn about, well, and continue following up the Chinese stocks where, meanwhile, the Americans, they came out like Charlie Munger saying that they lost money, as it has been always the case, because, my friends, if you were given if they had their own investment account or trading account other than to receive a salary, these people, they will be bankrupt a long time ago. Bye-bye.